season of Algebra Dudes. I'm Reginald Samuel, algebra teacher at Carter High School, and this is Nadia Ayala, algebra teacher at W.T. White High School. Okay, we would love to hear from all Algebra 1 students as we solve tax type questions. Remember that algebra is over 50% of the 9th grade and 10th grade tax exam. It's even about 40% of the exit level tax exam. Okay, so remember that every problem that we solve on the Algebra Dudes is a tax type problem. Okay, you may want to hang on to your problems to review for the tax test that comes up in April.
Okay, teachers, please make sure to fax in the weekly student attendance forms that include the student's name, ID number, grade, and name of math teacher. Before we get started, let's go over a few housekeeping rules. Please, when you use your telephone to use as a call, turn the TV volume down a bit to avoid the feedback noise. It really hurts our ears.
Yes, it does. Okay, remember also that cell phones do not work well with our audio system. Okay, so be sure to use regular phones. Okay, please no cell phones. I thank you, and Nadia thanks you, and our ears definitely thank you guys.
Also, a lucky caller will win this great gift today.
Hey, hey.
It's a $5 gift certificate to Blockbuster and some goodies, so good luck callers. And we haven't forgotten the teachers. We will have a monthly drawing for a great prize for a lucky teacher. Then at the end of the school year, we will have a summer prize or a super prize for the entire super class and teacher that has the most calls.
Yes, we will. Okay, and last year I think it was Miss Ayala group that won that super prize, and they all went out and had a real good time.
Yep.
You all went where?
To the hockey game.
To the hockey game. Okay, guys, you all should know quite a bit of information by now, so you all can go ahead and start calling in. We're only going to ask you questions from the first 6 weeks of Algebra 1, okay? And don't be afraid. If you don't know the answer, that's what we're here for, to help you out, all right? Okay, you want to go ahead and get started with the problem, and let's just move right along. Okay, sounds good. You pick the problem, I'll work the problem.
Pick an easy one.
Okay, go ahead then.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You want to do? No, I don't want to do these because they look kind of funky.
Okay, well then you pick one. I don't care.
Okay then. All right, let's do a little.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, yeah, that's gonna be pretty good. Let's zoom in on the problem.
I want to read. Can I read?
Of course you can read. Yay!
Okay.
You can read.
I'm gonna mess up this name.
Okay.
Okay, the hours Jabril. Is that right? Okay, the hours Jabril worked last week are shown in the chart below. That's Jabril's work schedule, that table. Monday, I guess he worked 10 hours, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 9, Thursday 6, and Friday 8. Which measure of these data would change if Jabril worked 2 hours less on Wednesday?
Yes, ma'am. So
I don't know.
Which one of them would change the most? Okay, now I need a good a caller to call in and help me with this problem. Okay, in the meantime, let's talk about what might we do. What might we do? Okay, if we're looking for which measure of these data would change if Jabril worked 2 hours less on Wednesday, I think I might, let's see, I would find the mean, median, mode, and range. Is that right?
Yeah, I would do that.
You would do that as well?
So let's subtract 2 from Wednesday. Is that what you're going to do? Or
I don't know. I think I might need to find the mean, median, and mode of the first information.
That's true. You're right.
And then come back and do the other information. So let's see. Okay. Let's zoom a little back.
Okay, let's remind what the heck.
Yeah, the mean, median.
Yeah, what does that mean? In case we forgot.
Okay, let's remind. Okay, let's look right here. Okay, the mean I think has to do with something about. I know it's something about like you can do something with your grades or something. It's like the average, right?
It's the average.
It's the average. So you add all of the numbers up, okay, in a set of data, and then you would divide by that same number of data. So let's see. In this situation, we have 5 numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers in our set of data. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we're going to add up these 5 numbers and then divide by 5 because that's how many numbers are in this set of data. So let's add these together. We're going to get, let's see, we can do this in our head. This is pretty simple. Okay, 18 plus 9 is 27, plus 6 will be 33, and then plus 8 will be 41, right? That's what you get?
That's what you say.
Okay, I think that's what I got. Okay, so I got 41 divided by 5. Okay, and then that's going to be...
Okay, we have a caller. I think her name is Sylvia from Thomas Edison. Hi, Sylvia. Sylvia.
Hey,
Hi. How's it going?
fine, thank you.
Hey, Sylvia, how you doing, dear?
Well,
You doing well? Okay, how was your day at school?
it was alright.
It was all right. Okay, after the first 6 weeks, you're ready. I know you're raring at them, right? How'd you do this first 6 weeks in algebra?
I was good.
You were good? Okay,
Good.
so you can definitely just breeze through this problem, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Good.
look at it then. Let's look at the problem.
Let's look at it.
Let's look at the problem. Here it is, the problem. Okay, hold on. We're going to sit here and wave and say, hey, everybody, we're going to look at what we are doing.
Let's look.
to
Woohoo, there
oh,
we
there it is. Hey, there goes the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Okay, now, did you hear everything that was going on there?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, where am I going from here? I've added all these numbers up, and I'm dividing by 5, and that's going to give me what?
That's gonna give you
8.2?
8.2.
8.2 sounds good. Okay, so the mean, let's see, we're talking about what's going to happen if you make Wednesday 2 hours less, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, right now, with it is the way that it is. Right now we have, let's call it situation 1 and situation 2. Situation 1, the mean is what? 8.2.
Yes.
Okay, what about the median of this information? What would I do?
The medium is.
What-
What is the
put them
median?
in order?
Yes,
Yeah, exactly.
good.
Good job. So the median is you put them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least, whichever you prefer, and then you will find what?
It's if you put them in order, it's gonna be 6,
Okay.
8,
Okay.
8,
Okay.
9,
9. Okay.
Good.
10.
10. Excellent job. Okay. So now from there, what do I have to do to find my median?
You can count like 1, 2
Okay. 1, 2.
from the front, and then scratch it out.
Okay. Scratch out here. Scratch out there.
Yeah.
Scratch
Then
out here,
another one,
scratch
and
out
then another one, and the answer is 8.
The answer is 8 because it's my what number?
Middle number.
It's my middle
Good,
number. Excellent
good,
job. Excellent job. Okay. And then what about my mode?
You don't have no more.
I don't have.
Oh,
no
wait.
I don't
You
have
do.
no mode.
You do. I cannot see from here. Wait.
Okay.
It's 8
It's
Good.
8. Why is it 8?
because it's the number that appears the most
Okay.
in the set.
Bam. We have 8 here and 8 there. It appears the most, or it occurs the most. Therefore, my median is, or my mode is 8. Okay. What about my range?
The range is gonna be 4.
4. Excellent job. Tell us what you've done.
The highest value, which is 10.
Uh huh.
I subtracted 10 minus 6 because
Okay.
6 is the lowest value.
Okay, and I got 4. Excellent
Good.
job. Excellent job. Excellent job. Now, let's remember what we're doing because we've done a lot of work. And sometimes when you all are on these tests, you like, okay, I've done a lot of work, so now I'm ready for an answer. But have we found an answer yet?
No.
No, we have not. Okay, guys, so don't worry about how much work you do. Always remember exactly what you're looking for. And remember, we want to know which measure of these data would change if Jabril worked 2 hours less on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do we go from here?
You subtract 2 hours from Wednesday, which is he worked 9 hours.
Okay.
9 minus 2 equals 7.
Okay, so this would be
Okay.
7 as opposed to 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Let's check out what's my mean.
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
What would be my mean of my second situation?
Medium?
My mean.
Your mean
Uh-oh.
would be 10 plus, you would do it 10 plus 8
Okay, 10 plus 8 plus 7
plus 7 plus
6 plus
plus
8.
eight. Good.
Now remember, we've already added these numbers up, and how many did we take away from it?
2.
and
Oh.
2, right? We
Yeah,
took 2.
2.
Right? So can I take 2 away from that number and have my number?
yes,
Okay, so that'll be what?
39,
39. Okay, and then 39 divided by 5 gives me
7.8.
Good.
7.8. Excellent job. Okay, 7.8. So I come over here, and my new mean is 7.8. Okay, what else do I have?
And then the medium
My median will be
8. No, wait.
okay.
Can you line them out? Wait,
Okay.
let me see.
You want me to get a little closer?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's up?
6, that would be. Your medium will still be.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Let's put them in order. Go
6,
ahead.
7, 8,
6,
6, 7, 8, 8, and 9, and 10.
And 10.
10.
Okay, remember
10.
we got rid of 9. Okay, so what's my median?
8.
8, because here, here, so my median is 8.
Good.
Excellent job. Okay, what about my mode?
Your motor will still be 8.
8, okay. Okay.
And can you raise up the
Okay.
answers?
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what
The
about
range would be still 4.
4? Okay, so which measure of these data would change if Jabril worked 2 hours less on Wednesday?
The mean.
The mean. Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay, here we go with a new set of. I know everybody's anticipating my new. Hey, that's my new happy face. I found a new one. Yay! Good job, Sylvia.
Thank you.
Excellent job. Okay, you all keep calling in, Tom. That
Hi,
is Thomas
Sylvia.
Edison. Okay, here we go. We're waiting for that next caller to help us with the next problem. My sinuses are really bothering me. Okay,
Okay.
here we go. Let's look for another problem. I'll let you choose one this time. Flip, flop, flippity, flop. Pick one. No, not one of those. That's a blank sheet of paper. One from a page. Okay, that's it. This is the problem we're doing next. So the next caller will be able to do this problem. Okay, Miss Ayala, if you'll go ahead and do us the honors.
Okay, I can say this name. Okay. At Lorenzo's Blockbuster franchise, you can rent videos for a $50 membership deposit and $3 per video. V. Which of the following rules could be used to solve for the total cost C of renting videos from Lorenzo's Blockbuster franchise? $50 membership.
$50 membership fee.
Did-
I wouldn't rent videos.
I think you're
Okay,
making
I
up
think
numbers.
it's just a deposit though. You get your money back once you bring your videos back. Yeah,
okay.
typically deposits.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you'll get them back. So students, you'll get your deposits back. Okay, so we are waiting for that caller. Okay, let's just talk about what we might do.
Talk about independent, dependent, maybe.
Independent, dependent. Hey.
Our next caller. Who is it?
Boo.
Quincy.
Okay.
Okay, good. We've got a new caller. I think
Yeah.
Quincy from where?
From from South Oak Cliff High School.
Oh, okay.
South Oak Cliff High School. Okay.
Zach. Hi,
Okay.
Quincy. Are you there? Hello.
Hello.
You are calling from a cell phone, aren't you?
Or lower your TV.
All right.
maybe.
Hello.
Are you calling from a cell phone, or are you just too close to the television?
We don't have a land phone.
Y'all don't have a land phone?
No, sir.
Okay, that's not bad right here.
Oh, that's not bad. Make sure you stay way away
From
from
the TV.
All right.
television.
I'm back.
Okay, get on. Yeah, because
You
I
can't see
mean
the
we heard a
problem.
whole bunch of feedback. Okay, can you see the problem if we put it up? Here's the problem right here. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, here we go. Now, Miss Ayala has already read the problem. It says again, or it reads again. At Lorenzo's Blockbuster franchise, you can rent videos for a $50 membership deposit and $3 per video V. Okay, which of the following rules could be used to solve for the total cost C of ready videos from Lorenzo's blockbuster franchise. Okay, so what we need to know is how would we set this problem up, and I think you may have to tell us a little bit about independent dependent variable, but not much.
All right. You E equals 3V, and that equals per video.
Okay,
The
C.
3 is per video.
Okay, so C equals 3V, and this is per video. Okay.
The 3 is per video, and the V
You're right.
is
Okay.
the number of videos.
Sounds good. Okay, and then that's going to be my answer, or do I need to
No,
add
no. Then plus 50,
plus 50?
yes.
Okay.
And 50 is the membership.
And 50 is the membership deposit. Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay, now, okay, tell me this. Which one of these is my independent variable and which one is my dependent variable?
The independent variable is V,
Good.
because it's the number of videos.
Okay, excellent job. This is my independent variable. Okay, and then
Good.
this will be, so what, I mean, what other variable
The
remains?
dependent variable is C.
Good.
Excellent job, man. I tell you, you all are doing a wonderful job. Who's the teacher over there?
Mr. Ashmore.
Okay, tell Mr. Ashmore we said hello and thanks for doing such a good job with the SOC students.
Oh, he hear you.
Okay, sounds well, sounds well. So with this problem, you will know three things. You'll know how to set up the equation. Okay, you'll also know how to identify the independent
and the
and the dependent variable.
Good.
Excellent job, man. Good job. And if you turn this over and I put a big old smile right there, there is your smiling face. Whoa! Excellent job, man.
Is that the Miss Ayala from Airwell?
That is Miss Ayala from
W.T.
WT White.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
I mean, at least still speak. He like,
Oh, well, tell him I said hey.
Okay.
Everybody else up there.
Appreciate
Okay.
it. Everyone back there, he said hello. Okay, that's Quincy.
Bye, Quincy.
Bye, Quincy. Okay, here we
We
go.
have Nancy from WT White.
Nancy from WT White, how are you doing?
Hi, Nancy.
Hey.
Hey.
What it do?
What he do, huh?
What it do, Miss Ayala?
What he do, Miss Ayala? Okay, now WT White, y'all sound like y'all represent deep. Okay, listen. You are ready to
What's the question?
you are ready to work the problem? Here we go. Let's deal with let's deal with nice.
I
let's
can't
deal
see
with-
very well.
Oh, that's okay. We can make it nice and big for you.
You're gonna have to read it to us.
Okay, we can read it to you. Okay, can you? Okay, well, we'll definitely read. Hey, now make sure you all are writing this part down, the equation down, so you can definitely tell us
Okay,
which
do you have a
one.
calculator with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Miss Ayala is going to read to you.
Okay, in the equation, M equals 750H plus 20 models Miss Chambers babysitting fees. Which table of values could represent her fees? Okay. Now, y'all can't see the table, can you?
Can you all see the tables?
Yeah.
Did you all hold up? Did you all already write down the equation? M equals 750H.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because I'm gonna try to zoom in as much as I possibly can. Here we go.
Okay, can you?
That's good.
Can you see that? Okay, cool.
Okay,
Now,
we need to figure out which table represents that function or that equation. Okay, can you figure out for 1 hour how much it would cost to babysit?
I can't hear you, Miss Ayala.
Okay.
Okay, tell us which one of these. You see A, B, C, and D? We need to know which one of
Yes.
these tables. We want to know which one of these tables would represent that equation.
You want to write it somewhere on the side. So we
Okay,
can see it?
here is the equation again. I'm going to put it right up top, right here. It's Y, or no, it's not Y. It's M equals 750H plus 20.
1 hour.
Okay, so figure out for 1 hour.
Okay,
Where
for
would you-
1 hour you do 7.5 times 1
Good.
plus 20.
Okay,
Okay,
how
so
much
what
did
do
that
you
give you?
27.5.
Okay, so which one?
So which one is my answer?
C.
C.
Good.
Excellent job. Excellent job. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Uh-oh.
Okay, let me throw in a couple of more questions.
Okay, go ahead. Hey, have a good time.
Okay, who's this? It doesn't sound like Nancy.
This is not Nancy. This is Portia, Miss Ayala.
Okay, because I heard Nancy. Hi, Portia.
Hi.
Okay, can you tell me what's the independent variable and the dependent variable? Okay, Portia?
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah.
What would be the
Hey, Miss Ayala.
Hi, they're taking turns.
What's up?
What would be the independent and dependent
what'd you say?
variable?
What's the question?
What's the independent variable and the dependent variable?
What's the independent? The hours is the independent,
Good.
and money is the dependent.
Good. I just
And
wanted
this Jamar, from the first period,
Jamar for that first period.
Oh, first period. Okay.
Yeah, from that dirty first.
Okay, but Portia's the one who called, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Nancy called.
Jamar got the second answer right. Portia got the first one right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
And Nancy dialed the number, right?
It's a team thing. It's a
I
team.
see it. I see it. I see it. WT White coming as a team.
Okay.
I see y'all. Well,
Bye-bye.
WT White, you all make sure you call
I'll
back
let you.
in.
Bye, Mr. Yonder. Deuces.
I think that was part of your fifth period class that said go fifth.
Probably.
Okay, go fifth period. Whoa, fifth. That dirty fifth.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Let's go to our next question and our next caller.
Okay. Do we have a next caller?
Sure we do.
Okay, call
They
in.
are calling in by the droves.
972-925-3123. Call in. Come on, someone has to win this popcorn with the Coke and some other
This was
goodies.
actually the first part of this question.
Oh. Got a little ahead of yourself.
Get a little
Okay,
ahead of myself.
we're going to put
there.
another question. If White wants to call again, or
Sock
Thomas Edison, call in
call
again.
Back, call
Don't
back.
be shy.
Yep, I know it's a lot of you all in those classrooms, so give us a call. Give us a call. Okay, let's look at the problem, and then by that time, they should be calling in.
Okay. I'll go
Okay,
ahead
we're
and
about to have
we
a
can-
person. We're about to have a person. Let's let me talk about this real fast while we're waiting on who this is that's about to come. I wanted to look at the scope and sequence just to see exactly what you all should be looking forward to next. Whoa.
Please stop messing up the set.
Okay. Never have I ever had that happen, so that's okay. The little waves, you see that
They thought it was real water. You messed it up for them now.
Okay, guys. Coming up soon to a class near you, you all should be dealing with exploring the linear parent function, dealing with y equals x. You should be dealing with translating y equals x, and you should be translating geometric figures. Okay,
Okay.
that's stuff that's coming up soon. But we have a caller, so let's go ahead.
I didn't get her name. Hello.
Shaterica?
You've got a new caller. Hi. Okay, can you say your name again?
Shaterica.
Shaterica. Shaterica, how you doing, dear?
Doing all right.
All right, sounds
Okay.
good. You had a pretty good day at school today?
Yeah, it was all right.
It was cool. Okay, you ready to work a problem?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, let's get to it. Okay, if you'll go to the we're gonna go to the problem. Okay, Miss Ayala, do us the honors.
Okay, it says Ms. Chamber has a very. Okay, this is It goes with the other problem that we just read. Ms. Chamber has a babysitting service. She changes a base rate of $20 plus $7.50 per hour for babysitting. So they've got to pay $20, and then per hour they pay $7.50. Which rule describes the amount of money M earned if Ms. Chamber spends 8 hours babysitting? So don't we have the answer to this? The other problem?
No, we don't, Miss Ayala. We're gonna
Okay.
get it from Shaterica. Shaterica, come on, dear. Tell us what we're going to do with this problem.
First, you're gonna find out how many hours she's working.
Good.
Okay.
So it's 8 hours.
Okay, she's working 8 hours.
So then you do 750 times 8.
Okay, so you're gonna say that she's working 8 hours. Now, listen, hold on. All we
All
want to
right.
do right now is we want to find a rule.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll deal with it, because I want you to I'm glad you said that,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm going to have you to make a table of values as well.
All right. Okay. The rule is you do the number of hours times 750 plus $20.
I'm sorry, dear. I'm choking over here. Okay, so which one of these answer choices would be my answer?
A.
Okay, so A is my answer choice. Excellent job. Okay, now. Sorry, Shaterika, I'm trying to find the other sheet so that I can give you the second part of this problem. Here we go. And the second part of the problem is... Please bear with me, Shaterika. 1 second. Okay, here we go. We're going to make a table of values for this scenario, okay? So some of the problems will ask you something like this on the tax test. It'll just give you this equation, and then it'll ask you to look at the answer choices and give a table of values. But I want you to give me a table of values, all right? So here we go. This is going to be my H, and I'm going to have my M. And I want you to tell me, okay, what hours do you want to use?
Like 1.
Okay, 1.
3.
3.
5.
5.
And -7.
And -7. Look at you now. Hold on. Now,
hold on. -7 comes before the 1.
Okay, -7 comes before the 1. But also, would that make sense in our problem because we're talking about hours? Can she make a negative amount
I
of
got
hours?
it now.
Okay, so we're just gonna do a +7.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So after she works 1 hour, how much money would she make?
She would have made $27.50.
$27.50. Now, tell us what you've done. We have M equals $7.50, $7.50 H plus 20, right? Okay. Now, what do we have to do with that 1?
We do 1 times 7.
Okay, because 1 is my H, I'm going to plug in what?
1.
Okay, so where I have H, I will now put 750 times 1, okay, and then plus 20, okay, which equals 750 times 1 is 750 plus 20 is 2750. Excellent job. Okay, what about the next one?
You would get $42.50.
Okay, $42.50. So tell me what I'm doing.
You do 750, and you plug in 3.
3, okay.
Plus 20.
Plus 20, okay. And then, so what is that going to give me?
1 second.
Okay.
$57.50.
You doing?
Wait, hold on.
That was the 40. That was the 42.50. Okay.
All right.
All right. And then the next one is going to be M equals 750 times what?
5.
5. Okay. And then that's plus 20. And then that's when you give me what?
$57.50.
$57.50. Okay. Excellent job. And then the last one will be 750 times what? 7. Okay. And then plus 20, which will give me what?
$72.50.
$72.50. Okay. Excellent job, dear. Excellent job. Woo! Excellent job. Now, real fast, just tell me, what is my independent variable and what's my dependent variable? While I put in this information, this is going to be 42.50. This is going to be 57.50. Okay. And this is going to be 72.50. Okay. What's my independent variable and what's my dependent variable of this situation?
The number of hours.
The number of hours is what?
The independent.
Independent. Excellent job. And then what about the, what are we talking about? The money that she's making. So
the dependent.
That's going to be the dependent variable. Excellent job, Shaterika. Keep up the good work, dear.
All right.
All righty. We'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
All righty. Bye-bye. Okie dokie. Our next caller is going to be...
Hello. Maybe she's there.
Brachelle.
Hello?
Brachelle, how are you doing? Are you really close to that television?
No.
Okay, because you were really loud in our ear. How are you doing, dear?
Hello?
Hello. How are you? Is this Brachelle? Do you pronounce your name Brachelle?
Rochelle.
Rochelle. Okay, Rochelle. Okay. All righty, Rochelle. I know you have been paying attention, and so I know you're ready for a problem, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You had a pretty good day at school?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, well, here's your pretty good problem after school. Here we go.
Okay. Here we go. I'll go ahead and read the problem, okay?
Okay, here we go. We're going to read the
We're gonna
problem
read.
now.
We're gonna read.
There
Okay.
we go. We'll read the
Good.
problem.
It says a counselor for a local youth group was calculating how much it would cost C to take the children to the amusement park according to the function C equals 150R plus 7, where R is the number of rides each child would be allowed to ride. Which of the following is the best interpretation for this function? Okay, is it A, it would cost $8.50 for each child to go on a trip. B, it would cost $1.50 to enter the park and $7 per ride. C, it would cost $8.50 to enter the park and $1.50 per ride. Or would it be the last one? It would cost $7 to enter the park and $1.50 per ride. So how would you read it?
Hello?
Okay.
Yes? Which one?
D.
D.
D, let's see.
Okay, now tell us more about D. You just said D. Now, I want to know it. Justify your answer.
Explain why
What you
you...
say?
I want you to justify your answer.
Okay. $7 enter the park.
Okay.
$7 to enter the park.
And $1.50 per ride. Multiply the number of rides.
Okay, so
Okay.
because it says per ride, you know that you're going to be multiplying something times however many rides they rode, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the 750 is a one-timer, right? So that's why we have it.
$7.
Yeah, $7. I'm sorry, the $7 is a one-time fee, so that's why we have the $7 here, and then the 150 is going to be multiplied every time the kid or whomever rides their ride, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good. What's my independent variable in this situation?
The number of rides.
Good.
Number of rides. Excellent job. Number of rides will be by independent, and what about by dependent?
The cost.
The
Good.
cost. Okay. Excellent job. Excellent job, dear. Excellent job. Woo!
Good.
We normally have these sound
Good,
effects,
Rochelle.
these wonderful sound effects, and I know
Wait,
Jamal
so
is
not
going to
having
get
it
them all
today.
for us.
Huh?
Okay.
What?
Okay, thanks, Michelle, for calling.
Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Okay.
have a great day, dear.
Okay, we've got another caller. Swad.
Turn your
Okay.
television down for me, WT.
Swad. Hi, is that Swad?
What's up?
Hey, Swad, how
This
you
is
doing,
a-
man?
Yeah, what's up?
Who's this?
Is this Swad?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, is this Swad?
Huh? Excuse, I didn't hear what you said.
Who's speaking?
This is Jamar.
Okay, so you're not Swad. Okay, are you ready for a problem?
Huh?
Are you ready for a problem?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I'm going to try to get you a bigger problem up here.
I can't hear y'all.
Okay, you can't hear us?
He's pretty funny.
Okay, here we go. Now,
right.
what's your name again?
Jabari.
Jabari. All
No,
right.
Jamarin.
Oh,
Jabari.
Jabari.
I always-
Okay.
He called me that. He called me that.
I didn't call you Jabari like the gorilla, man. Come on over here and work this problem. Get over here and work this problem. Here we go. You ready?
I think that's funny.
Yeah, that was kind of fun.
Did you
That was
hear
kinda
that?
funny. Okay, guys, be quiet now. We're ready
Okay.
to go to work.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna pronounce it.
Okay, a parachute.
Shoot it.
A parachutist
Okay.
opens her parachute and at an altitude of 5,000 feet. Okay, she is falling at a speed of 50 feet per second. What is her altitude after 20 seconds? So we want to know what is her altitude after 20 seconds. You know that she's falling at a rate of 50 feet per second. So let's go to work.
Okay. Can you repeat that one more time? I can't hear.
Okay. Okay, she's reading it to you. I hear her over there.
An altitude of 5,000 feet is falling at a speed of 50 feet per second. What is her altitude after 20 seconds?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Gotta make the equation. Where does she start?
She started at 5,000
Good.
feet.
She's starting at 5,000. Or he.
She goes down. She is decreasing.
Okay, it's decreasing.
Yeah, 50 feet.
So would you like to make an equation before we actually try to solve this?
So the equation would be for that one. So the equation is y equals 5,000.
Y equals 5,000
minus 50 feet.
minus 50 feet
Per what?
Per second.
Good.
So which is a what?
What letter?
50 feet per second.
So what am I going to put right here?
What letter do you want per second?
Multiply by 20.
Oh,
Okay,
he's
so
already
you
setting
want to
it.
go ahead and solve it? Okay, let's go ahead and solve it. Okay. So
The answer is
okay.
4,000.
So we have 5,000 minus
I mean
1,000. Okay, y.
yeah, 4,000.
4,000 feet. Excellent job.
Yay.
Excellent job. Excellent
Thank
job,
you.
Jamarian.
That's another
Jamarian.
extra credit for me, Miss Ayala.
Hold on, man.
Y'all know.
Here goes some extra credit. Watch this. Watch this. Here we go.
Oh, clean!
Hey, that's clean, right?
Hey, I want some hair. Give me some hair.
You want some hair? Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. A little unibrow and then
Cool.
some hair.
I like that. All right.
What you think? What you think? What you think?
I like it.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
go.
1,
Let's
2,
go hard.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Hold on, 1, 2. Let's give him 2 teeth. There we go.
Yeah,
2
go ahead. Yeah, okay.
All right, man. Hey, you all have a great time. Hey, you keep calling in, WT White.
All right.
All right.
That looked a little scary there, Original.
Hey, hold up. Let's go back, Mr. Samuel.
What did you?
Okay, let's
Oh,
look.
you got to see that.
Our problem. That's a nice looking.
Okay.
Those
Do we
happy
have
faces.
time for
Okay.
another caller?
We definitely have time for one more caller. At least one more, huh? Yeah, we have time for a couple of more callers.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go with our next caller.
We don't have another caller.
Yes, we do.
We do.
We have like a lot of viewers out there that are going toward that telephone right now and dialing 972-925-3123. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to work.
Woohoo.
Okay, and oh yeah, I was telling the teachers and the students about what's coming up soon in Algebra 1 so that they'll be prepared. I know that everyone is paying attention to the scope and sequence. I actually kind of like this scope and sequence.
Do you?
Yeah, I really do.
It's pretty long, huh?
It's pretty long, pretty lengthy. Okay, so our next, actually before we get to the parent function and everything, and it sounds like we have a caller
Do we
coming
have a
in.
caller?
We're
Yes,
going to deal with
definitely.
defining, make sure you all define distributive, commutative, and associative properties, and identify additive and multiplicative identities, okay? And we're going to deal with solidifying the solving equations and solve equations using the distributive property.
Yay!
Yeah, so I know you all are ready for that. That is going to be one of the greatest things you could ever learn. And we're going to get it done. So let's go with our next caller. I know we have one out there. The number again is 972-925-3123.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go. Sounds good.
Okay. Hello. Who's our caller? What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Suat. It's Suat.
You said
It's
two.
me.
You said
Suat.
two.
Alphabet.
Oh.
Two
okay.
right.
Swad.
Oh, this Swad calling back.
How you doing?
Yeah, he
What's
was
going on,
supposed to talk
Swad?
to us before.
Nothing.
Okay. All right, man. You ready to work a problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna give you something good. Let's look at this problem. Okay, here we go.
Okay, it says if j equals 57 and k equals -5, simplify the following expression, 25k plus j. So Swat, if they give you j and they give you k, what are you going to do with those two numbers?
Plug them in.
Plug them in. Okay,
plug
set.
it in.
Good. Set up the problem for Mr. Samuel. How would you set it up?
Substitute the J for K.
Okay, so
Substitute the J for K.
I mean
Okay.
J and K.
Oh, for
Okay.
J and K. I was like, substitute the J for K.
okay, what is he going to write down instead of the k? What does he put?
25 times -5 plus 57.
Plus 57. Okay.
Good.
And then what do we get?
That's
-6.
Negative
68.
125. Negative 125
No, hold on.
plus 57 equals. The final answer you said again is?
Is that your final answer?
Just
Okay.
-68.
Negative 68. Okay, that looks
That's too easy for him.
That was too easy. So you know what, squad?
Let's-
You get another problem. Okay, you ready?
Sure.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go to
Good.
it.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, it says Mr. Perry is in charge of selling popcorn for the movie theater. He is to sell each box of popcorn for $5.50 plus 35 cents per ounce of butter. So what is the initial cost when calculating the total cost of a box of popcorn? Initial, do you know what that means? Initial.
The beginning,
At the beginning. So what does he have to pay at the beginning?
$5.50.
$5.50.
That
Excellent
was too
job.
easy,
Oh,
too.
that was too easy too for. Hey, that's a
That's
good
good,
job. So
Swag.
that's our answer. So that's the initial cost, guys. Keep that in your mind. Okay,
All right.
initial cost. Okay, good job, squad.
All right.
Have a great day, bud.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Swad.
All right, bye.
Okay, we've got another caller.
We have another caller.
Woohoo.
Let's go to work. Who do we have?
Okay, we have Carmen. Hi, Carmen.
Hi,
Where are you calling from, sweetie?
Thomas Edison,
Ah.
the best school on the hill.
Oh, okay, okay. Now we're gonna challenge that with giving you a problem. You're gonna have to show us that
Yep.
it is the best school.
Yep.
All right.
Sure.
Okay, let's go to work. Here we go. I want you to take this situation that we've just read. You heard the situation, okay? Well, we had Miss Perry is in charge of selling popcorn for the movie theater, okay? He is to sell each box of popcorn for $5.50 plus 35 cents per ounce of butter, okay? What is the initial cost? We don't want that. What I want you to do is I want you to make a table of values for this scenario, okay?
Sure.
Okay, so tell me what I'm going to do. I need an equation first before I can make a table of values. So what would my equation be?
The function rule or equation is gonna be $5.50
5.
plus 35 cents X.
Oh, Blake.
Okay, and what is that going to equal?
That's gonna equal the cost.
Okay, so what
Or
variable?
Y.
Y. Okay,
Yeah.
you want to use Y for the total cost. Okay, that's fine. So tell me now. I want to make a table of values. What numbers do you want to use?
I'm gonna use 3,
3,
6,
6,
2,
2.
No wait.
Okay,
Yeah,
you said
2.
2. That's fine. You said
2 and 7.
7. Okay, all right. We just threw a 2 in there. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Hey, let's go. Okay, now tell me this. When I plug in 2, what do I get out?
When you plug in 2, you go 550 plus
Okay, so
35 cents times 2.
okay, 550 plus 35 cent times
2.
2. You
Wait.
want to do the 2 first?
Yeah,
Okay, let's do the 2 first. Okay, and then that's going to give me what?
that's gonna give you $6.20.
Sounds right to me. Sounds right to me.
It
Okay.
is.
Okay, so that's 6.
Because she's
20?
from the best school.
Okay, so let's go to work. What's the next thing I need to do?
Then you do the 3.
3. Okay, I'm going to do the 3. So let's do, what are we doing? You tell me.
550
550
plus
plus
35 cents
Okay.
times 3.
times 3. And that equals
And that equals $6.55.
$6.55. I like the way you say and when you see a decimal. Good job. I think this is going to be one of the best schools in the ISD. Go ahead. Keep going.
Already.
Okay, already. I'm not supposed to say it like that. Am I supposed to say already?
Yeah.
Okay, go to work.
And now you do 6, which is gonna be 550 plus 35 cents times 6,
Okay. And what is that going to give me?
which is gonna give you $7.60.
$7.60. Okay, excellent job. So that's $7.60. And then last but not least.
Yeah, it's the 550 plus 35 cents
Uh-huh.
times 7
Okay.
equals $7.95.
$7.95. That is a wonderful,
Good.
wonderful job. Okay. You know what?
Carmen.
You are definitely showing your school pride when doing this type of stuff. Excellent
Yeah,
job. Excellent job, dear. Hey, you all keep calling in, Thomas. That is son, okay?
Bye,
We'll talk to you
Carmen.
soon.
Bye, everybody.
All righty. Okay, now
we
next
have
caller.
another caller.
Okay.
We have Jaime from North Dallas. Hi, Jaime.
Hi,
Hello,
Hi.
Hyman.
my name's actually Jesus.
Oh, you were kidding about
Yeah.
Jaime?
Sorry, I'm
Who's
kind of nervous.
Jaime?
Who's Hyman? Sound like-
Jesus. Okay. Hi,
Okay.
Jesus.
Hey, Seuss, you ready for a problem, bud?
Yes.
Okay, you had a pretty good day at school, and now you are ready to have a pretty good after
What did you
school
say?
tutoring.
Yeah.
Here we go. You ready?
Yes.
Excuse me?
Okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go to the
good.
problem.
Okay, it says Miss Brown wants to visit her grandfather who lives 700 miles away. She travels at 60 miles per hour. If she drives for 10 hours, how many miles would she have left to drive? Okay.
Okie dokie. Okay. Here we go. You ready for the problem?
I can't hear.
You
You have to
couldn't-
put up more volume.
Okay, more volume.
That's
Okay,
what
look, I zoom in. How about that volume? Now, okay, can you hear me? You can't hear me? Jesus?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Did you hear where Miss Ayala said that Miss Brown
Yeah.
wants to visit her grandfather? Okay, she has to go 700 miles, right?
Well,
She-
yeah, her,
she tra- uh-huh.
her total distance is going to be 700 miles away.
Okay, so how are we going to set up this problem so that we can know exactly how much time or how many miles she has left to travel?
She's driving 60 miles per hour,
Okay.
so that's going to be 60x.
Okay, 60x.
And then since you want to go over there, it's minus 700, minus 700.
Minus 700? Okay, you sure I want to subtract 700?
Oh, minus 60.
Good. There you go.
Okay,
700.
excellent job. So we could just put a negative on that and put a plus 700. We can do it that way.
Yeah.
Is
means
that
the
cool
same
for
thing.
you?
Now, that's the equation for the distance. So equal D.
Okay,
Okay.
and then this is going to equal to D, okay, which is the distance. Okay,
And now we do for 10 hours.
okay, so we do what?
Substitute
Negative 60
times
times
10
10, okay,
and plus 700.
okay, equals,
That's gonna 60 times 10 is 600.
okay, so this is going to be
Negative 600,
negative 600 plus 700,
700,
okay,
and that's 100.
100. Excellent job. So what's my answer? My
So
answer
the
is
answer is D.
D. Excellent job, man. Wonderful job. I like the way you set that up. A lot of people don't like using the negatives because they can't stand integers, but I need you all to start learning how to do those wonderful integers. Let me see if I can give you a book
See
tip.
my picture?
Yeah, I'm about to give you a nice. Hold on, here we go.
Got an
What you
extra
think?
tooth
What you
there.
got?
Good.
Hold on. Here we go. We got more for you.
He's
Okay.
getting ready for Halloween already.
The hair's too long.
The hair's too long. Okay, all right. We're gonna cut his hair. That's a cut. That's a cut. All right. So now he has short hair, man. Hey,
Okay.
thanks for calling in.
Bye,
Good job.
Jesus.
All right.
Okay, we've got one more caller.
Okay, we're taking one more
Okay,
caller.
Blake, are you still on the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
hi Blake.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Okay, we're gonna give you a short one because the show's about to end.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. You ready?
Ready, Blake? Okay, here we go. The problem.
All right, I'm ready.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're waiting.
Oh,
for,
okay.
Okay. What's Luviano? Is that right?
Yeah, Mr. Luviano.
Okay, Mr. Luviano rented a truck to move some furniture. The rental charge C included a $95 service fee plus 55 cents per mile M. Which equation best describes C in terms of M? Okay, so how would you set up the equation, Blake? What do you have to pay for sure?
Y equals 95.
Okay.
Okay.
Y? Are we going to use Y? Did it give us a variable to use? I think it gave us a variable to
C
use.
equals.
You said C equals? Okay, so C is going to equal what?
95.
Okay, 95.
Okay, what does it say after $95 service
M.
fee? What's plus?
Hold on.
What operation is plus?
Oh,
Blake?
Plus.
Yeah, plus sign. Okay, good.
Okay, so we have a $95 service fee plus
0.55
0.55
What?
M.
M.
because it says per, so we know we're going to be
Which one's
multiplying.
your answer then, Blake? Look
So
at
the answer is D.
The answer is going to be D. Excellent job, man. Wonderful job. Here we go.
Good, Blake.
Here we go. Here we go. I know we.
No.
Hold on. I got you something good coming. Here we go. Plaque. That's plaque on the T. Okay, here we go. There is.
What's that, a nose?
Yeah, that's a nose. There's some beady eyes. And hold on, here we go. I'm gonna give you some short hair. What you think? Oh yeah, he looks like.
Oh yeah, I like that right there.
Oh yeah, that's it
right there.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. See, I knew you all would appreciate my nice,
All right.
my nice little faces. Yeah, that's a zit on my on the nose, man.
Bye, Blake.
Hey, bye, Blake, man. We appreciate you calling. Okay. That was.
You've been practicing, haven't you?
I have been practicing, guys. In the off season, oh man, I've been practicing a lot because last season, she had me looking bad with her little
My smiley faces.
Little smiley faces were looking good. Okay, can we take one more caller? I think we still have a little time.
I thought we did. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All righty, here we go, guys. I do not want to end on a bad note, so let's end on a good note. It says that's just about all the time we have for today. Okay, just before, but before we leave, or before we go, we have to do what, Nadia?
We're gonna give away our little prize here.
Uh-oh.
You get popcorn
Make sure you
and all
still
this
paying
extra
attention.
goodies.
Don't forget, guys, to hold on to those, to all of those problems that you all received today. I promise you they will be beneficial to you. Okay, so who's the lucky person? So
Okay,
to say?
the lucky caller is from my school, WT White High School. Woo! And it's actually going to be Portia from WT White. She was the third caller.
She was the third,
Yeah, she's the one I spoke to. So congratulations, Portia. I will be bringing this to actually third period also.
Third period. Okay, caller number 3. Third period. Okay, remember.
Remember, we would love to see you. So don't forget to bring your pictures to your teacher so he or she can send them to us or email them to us at algebradudes@dallasisd.org, and we can show them on the TV or what?
Yeah,
okay, cool.
Guys, make sure you hit that email because I will definitely be personally looking on the site to catch them.
Yeah, well, and your picture will come out on TV.
Exactly.
Okay, and you can also send them through the departmental mail to DISD Box 379. If you have any other questions or comments, mail them to algebradudes@dallasisd.org.
Okay, guys. Okay, thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next Monday. Have a great week, guys, and make sure go algebra.
Go algebra.
That's it.
Bye.
Oh, we don't expect you to have an understanding.